Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to generate AI art with Lensa. To start, open your Lensa application in your mobile device. In here, click on the button that says Magic Avatars. Then in here, click on the button that says Try Now. Now choose which one you want to create. In this example, let's click on Humans. And then in here, click on I have reached to the age of majority, and then click on Continue. In here, choose what gender. For now, let's be using male. Then in here, you will see a lot of styles inside the app. Choose one that you desire. Click on Continue, and then in here, select 10 to 20 selfies. After selecting the photos, you will now have the option of subscription. You have to buy to go further with the process. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.